In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rate your experience on Fresha. Whether you've just enjoyed a refreshing facial, a relaxing massage, or a stylish haircut, sharing your feedback is not only beneficial for the service providers, but also helps other customers make informed decisions. So, how do you leave a rating? Stick with me and I'll guide you through the process step by step. First things first, you'll need to log in to your Fresha account. This is where everything begins. If you're new to Fresha, this platform is a haven for booking beauty and wellness services. Once you've navigated to Fresha's website, locate the login section. This is typically at the top right corner. Enter your credentials, that's your email and password. If you're already logged in, you're one step ahead. After successfully logging in, it's time to access your profile. Look for the option that says Your Profile. This should be visible on the screen, perhaps in the menu or as an icon representing a user or profile. It's meant to be intuitive, so don't worry, you won't miss it. Clicking on your profile will take you to another layer of options. Among these, you want to find and select Profile again. Yes, it might sound repetitive, but this is how the platform is designed, guiding you closer to where you can manage your details and, in this case, leave a rating. Now you're getting to the heart of the matter. From your profile, you need to navigate to appointments. This section will showcase all the services you've booked through Fresha, past and future. It's like a timeline of your beauty and wellness journey. Scrolling through, find the specific appointment you want to rate. It could be the latest one, or perhaps there was a memorable service from the past you just remembered you'd like to commend. Once you've located the right booking, it's time to rate it. On Fresha, the rating system is straightforward. It utilizes stars. You might be familiar with this system already, as it's quite common on review platforms. 5 stars indicate excellent service, while 1 star represents dissatisfaction. Be sincere with your rating. Think about the quality of service, the professionalism of the staff, the ambience of the place, and any other factors that contributed to your experience. But before you hastily click on those stars, take a moment. Reflect on your visit. Was there something that particularly impressed you? Or maybe something that could have been better? This rating isn't just a formality, it's a reflection of your genuine experience. It helps businesses improve and grow, and it aids other customers like you in making choices that match their expectations. After selecting the appropriate number of stars, you might also have the option to leave a comment. This is your chance to detail what specifically you enjoyed or what could be improved. Were the staff exceptionally welcoming? Was the spa cleaner than any you've visited before? Or maybe there was a delay in your appointment start time. Whatever your feedback, this is the moment to share it. When you're satisfied with your rating and, if applicable, your comment, it's time to submit it. With this action, you're not just concluding the rating process, you're contributing to the community of Fresha users. Your opinion counts, not just for the service provider who will receive direct feedback from your experience, but also for future customers who will read your review and make decisions based on your honest feedback. And that's it. You've successfully navigated through Fresha to rate a service. It's a simple yet impactful way to communicate your satisfaction or offer constructive feedback. Remember, your voice helps shape the quality of services offered, making sure that the beauty and wellness industry continues to evolve and cater to your needs. Now, wasn't that straightforward? I hope this tutorial empowers you to share your experiences confidently on Fresha. Whether splendid or needing improvement, your feedback is valuable. So next time you enjoy a service booked through Fresha, remember how easy it is to leave a rating, and who knows, your review could be the deciding factor for someone else's next pampering session. Thanks for joining me today. I hope you found this guide useful. Whether you're a seasoned Fresha user or new to the platform, your engagement through ratings and feedback makes a world of difference. Until next time, take care and keep sharing your wonderful experiences.